Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today we have the Tubby Toaster and Noo Noo is coming along because he'd like to have some Tubby toast. Okay, Noo Noo, let's push the button. Woo! And that Tubby toast popped right out. It's got a smiley face. Here you go, Noo Noo. Noo Noo ate all of that Tubby toast up. You'd like more? Okay, Noo Noo, we'll push the button. Uh-oh, the Tubby toaster button is stuck. What are we gonna do, Noo Noo? Oh, there we go. It worked. Another Tubby toast popped out. Noo Noo had another Tubby toast. Noo Noo, I can't believe how hungry you are today. One more, Noo Noo? We'll push the button. Oh, it popped out right away. Okay, Noo Noo, this is your last Tubby toast. Noo Noo ate so much Tubby toast that Noo Noo grew into a gigantic size. Oh dear, Noo Noo, what are we going to do? You've had too much Tubby toast. You're going to have to do lots of exercises to get back to your normal size. Noo Noo's going for some exercise. Back and forth. Good job, Noo Noo. Yay! Noo Noo shrunk back to his normal size. Good job. Thank you for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye.
Tiny Treasures and Toys. Please subscribe.
Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. We are here with Noo Noo at our Radiator Springs playset. As you can see, Kitty is busy walking around. Our Noo Noo toy has wheels, and we are going to see if Noo Noo can make it all the way down the track. Ready, set, go! Noo Noo, you made it all the way down. What would happen if Noo Noo started partway down the track? Noo Noo doesn't quite make it all the way down. And do you know why? Because Noo Noo gets more speed going down a steeper hill. But if Noo Noo starts part way, it's not as steep, so he doesn't get as much speed. Now I know all of our fans love Kitty, so let's have some fun with her today. I'm going to place treats all over our racetrack, and let's see if Kitty can find them all. Her tail is wagging. She can definitely smell and see the treat. She's just figuring out how to get it. Oh, and she grabbed it with her mouth. Good job, Kitty. Here's the second treat. I hid 5 treats and she's eaten 2. How many treats are left? 5 minus 2 is 3. She still has 3. She found the one on the blue platform by Noo Noo. Now there's 2 more left. Oh, she can smell it. Good job. Cats have a better sense of smell than humans. It's actually 14 times better. You're getting warmer. You're getting warmer. Hot, hot. You found it, kitty. She got all 5 treats. And thank you so much for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to... Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. We are here with Noo Noo and he is on top of a goldfish bowl. And we are surrounded by different colors of fish. Let's turn our fish tank on. Noo Noo, can you find the switch? Good job, Noo Noo. We are going to put it in English. There's also French en français.
Hi, I'm the color fun fish bowl. Let's have some fun.
We need to insert the fish on the top. Let's start with the pink fish.
That was a pink fish. Let's play.
What color is this, Tiny fans? Let's find out.
That was a brown fish. That was an orange fish. That was a white fish. That was a green fish. I love having new friends. That was a black fish. Insert another fish. That was a blue fish. That was a yellow fish. I wonder what... That was a red fish.
And here's our last fish.
I wonder what...
Oh, will it fit?
That was a...
Shake it around.
That was a purple fish.
That's right.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I wonder what...
It's starting to get really hot. And even Puppy is getting hot. Should we go for a little swim? Ooh, the sand is hot on my feet. We get to pick a floaty. How about the dragon? And Noo Noo can rest right on top. There you go, Noo Noo. And thank you for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye.
Tiny treasures and toys. Please subscribe.
Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. We are with our syrup, Tinky Winky, who is covered in candy. Tinky Winky was out in the garden. Ew! Ooh! All of a sudden, Noo Noo had come along. Noo Noo wasn't paying attention because Noo Noo was picking up garbage outside. Oops! Noo Noo bumped Tinky Winky over. What should Noo Noo do, Tiny fans? Should Noo Noo just stare at Tinky Winky until he gets up? No. Should Tinky Winky just keep cleaning up garbage and just hope that Tinky Winky's going to be okay? No. Noo Noo should help Tinky Winky up and say sorry even though it was an accident. Sorry, Tinky Winky. Oh, hey. Noo should also ask if Tinky Winky is okay. Are you okay? Me okay? Noo Noo feels bad and asks Tinky Winky for a big hug. Ayo! Big hug! Yay! Big hugs! Time to keep cleaning up now that we know Tinky Winky's okay, right, Noo Noo? Bye-bye! And thank you for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Bye-bye! Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today we're going to read Teletubbies, the Noo Noo Tidies Up book. And it's a pretty old book, but it's a very good story. And there's a big mess of Tubby custard and Tubby toast. One day in Teletubby land, the Noo Noo was tidying up. He looked behind the Tubby custard machine. What a mess! The Noo Noo tidied up. He looked under the Tubby table. What a mess! The Noo Noo tidied up. He looked in each Tubby bed. What a mess! The Noo Noo tidied up. Then he saw something through the Tubby doors. It's the Teletubbies. Ayo! Ayo, Noo Noo! Teletubbies love the Noo Noo very much. Big hug! The Teletubbies all hugged Noo Noo at the same time. Big hug! And thank you for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye. Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today, Dipsy is waiting for Noo Noo to arrive, and Dipsy is going to have a ride on the new Noo Noo toy. Here comes Noo Noo now. Hello, Noo Noo. Oh, look who's joined us. It's Kitty. Kitty is interested in Noo Noo. Sorry, Kitty. You are too big for Noo Noo. Oh, it's okay, Noo Noo. Kitty will not hurt you. Okay, it's time to get Dipsy on Noo Noo. Okay, Dipsy is all strapped in and safe on Noo Noo. Get ready for the ride. See you later. Have fun, you two. And thank you for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye.